Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Lily and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my stuffed tilapia. I have a huge stuffed tilapia. So come over here and let me show you how I do this. For my ingredients, of course, I have the tilapia. Do you see how big that tilapia is? That's huge. I'm going to be stuffing him. And on this plate I have some onions, some red peppers, some yellow peppers, some green peppers, orange. I have some scallions. I have some broccoli. Over here I have some shrimp, some imitation lobster meat, some imitation crab meat, and some scallops. And I have all of my seasonings right here. The main ingredients are the garlic and the minced garlic and the chives. But you can use whatever seasonings you like, guys. So I've already washed my fish. I've washed up all my veggies and my other seafood product that I'm going to be stuffing it with. And I'm going to go ahead and start. So the first thing I'm going to do is start seasoning my tilapia. And you want to season the inside of him, so. That's accent. And some seasoned salt. My garlic. And you may wonder why I'm doing this first. Once you season the inside of the fish, you really don't have to season the veggies, because once you put the veggies and the other stuff in there, like your shrimp and everything, the seasoning is going to go through it because it's already inside the fish. So you don't have to worry about that. Now that I have my base seasonings on there, which are my main seasonings, which is my accent and seasoned salt and everything, I'm going to flip it. And I've already got the inside. I'm just going to season the other side with my seasoned salt and my accent. And my badia. Well, like I say, whatever seasonings you want to use, that's fine. You don't have to use what I use. If you want to use Old Bay, you're welcome to use the Old Bay. I'm going to flip it back over. Put Italian seasoning on here. Now I'm going to start stuffing my fish. So I'm going to take my broccoli. Put some broccoli in there. Then I'm going to take my shrimp and put some shrimp in there. Then I'm going to take some scallions, green onions, and I'm going to put in there. Oh. Don't be afraid to pick up your meat if it fall out. Then I'm going to take my scallops and put some scallops in there. Even though this is a big fish, guys, it's not a whole bunch of room in here to stuff it. Now I'm going to put some white onions in there. And I'm using the Velda sweet onions. I'm going to put some of my red peppers in there. Gotta pack this fish a little bit. I'm going to put some of my crab meat up in there. Yep, and everything will be falling, but just put it back in there. I'm going to put my lobster meat up in here. I'm going to put some orange peppers up in here. Don't worry guys, just pick up the peppers if they fall out. I'm going to put some green peppers up in here. And I'm going to put some yellow peppers up in here. I want to be careful, because this stuff will fall out easily. Now I'm just going to run a little bit of seasonings across that. I'm going to lift it like this and run a little bit of seasonings across it. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to move it over here to this pan. Now, oh, see my stuff is falling out again. Now I've already got my oven preheating on 350. I'll take a little bit of Creole seasoning and rub over the top. If you get close enough, you can see that seasoning that I have on there. I'm going to put some chives in there and on the fish. I'm going to use some pepper. Achoo! Ooh. I want y'all to see those peppers in there. They're looking really scrumptious. But when you finish, ooh, those peppers will fall, but don't worry about it. And that's how your stuffed tilapia will look. If you don't have a big one like this, you can do it with the small one. Just cut your peppers and so smaller and use a lesser amount. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put some lemons on here. These lemons are going to bake into this fish, and I'm going to put one in his mouth. These lemons are going to bake into this fish, and it's going to have a little bit of the lemony flavor. I'm going to go ahead and top that with some red pepper. Some red pepper flakes. I'm going to add a little bit more garlic. So I'm going to go ahead and cover this with some foil for the first 30 to 45 minutes. And I'm not going to cook it the whole time with the foil on it. Like I say, for only like 30 or 45 minutes. You check your fish and you see. And then you know when to take your foil off. And I'm going to go ahead and pop this in the oven, and I will be back to show you what this fish looks like. So guys, as you can see, my fish is ready. What I did, I baked this fish for an hour covered with aluminum foil, and then I took the aluminum foil off and I baked it another hour without it. Now I'm going to take this fish, because I have a bed of rice right here, and I'm going to put it on this bed of rice, and I'm going to show you how it looks when I'm done. So guys, this is your stuffed tilapia. If you don't have a tilapia this big, you can use any size tilapia. So the approximate cook time for this fish was 2 hours. Like I said, 1 hour covered with foil and 1 hour uncovered. Follow this recipe. You will not be disappointed. Until next time, cut.